Hi, welcome to Delineation, home to some spectacular Lightroom tones and presets. In this tutorial we will demonstrate you how to edit emerald green tone using Lightroom, and these settings are flexible, so you can use them in Lightroom Mobile and Camera Raw as well. Here are some stock photo previews. If you want to follow along with us, you can click the links down below in the description for downloading them. Before starting, here are some important points. Welcome to Lightroom. Let's begin editing. Let's begin with highlight. Bring it down to -52. Now, increase the shadows up to +54. Move to whites, and decrease it to 79. Now go to blacks and decrease it to -36. Now go to clarity, move the slider to +10. Now, pop up the vibrance to +20. Let's jump to curves and try to replicate the points the way we have done it. Now switch to 𝗬𝗃𝗃. These are the sliders which focuses on the color and alters them completely. Select the hue and move the red slider to -20. Move to red saturation, decrease it to -18. Move the luminance of red to +6. Now, select orange, and bring down the hue to -18. Bring down the saturation of orange to -18. Increase the luminance of orange to -38 as well. Now, come to yellow and move the slider to make hue -49. Increase the saturation of yellow to -65. Leave the luminance of yellow as it is. Move to green color, and increase the hue to extreme +100. Now, bring down the saturation of green to -80. Bring down the luminance of green to -67. Now, come to aqua color and decrease its hue to -89. Increase the saturation of aqua to 61. No need to change the value of aqua luminance. Now, let's come to blue and decrease the value of hue to 25. Bring down the blue saturation to -55. Also decrease the luminance of blue to -35. Let's go to purple color and decrease the hue all over to -100. Leave the value of saturation and luminance of purple as it is. Now, move to magenta, and decrease the hue to -44. Increase the saturation of magenta and make it -35. Increase the luminance of magenta to +40. Now, let's move to split toning. Come to highlight section, and increase the hue up to 51. Saturate the highlight to 5 in split tone. Come to shadows section, and move the slider to 206. Now, saturate the shadows to 23. Finally, balance them by moving the slider to make it 69, or you can experiment with the values according to your photo. Now let's copy these settings to other photos. We haven't ticked exposure and contrast settings while copying, as every image has its own brightness and contrast values. So, it is in your hand to play with them according to the image. Thanks for watching this video. You are free to subscribe and support this channel. Also don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like it and hit the bell icon to get notified about new tones.